Hi, good morning, Earth humans. It's me. Yeah, it's me again. All right. Hey, me with Knight Virginia Hyde with AdAstraEG.com, where to the stars, that's Latin for to the stars, e.g., and other dimensions, etc., etc. This is the front page. You just go there, and you can ignore the greeting if you want. You can read it if you want. But of course, current planetary positions. I just programmed. I was tired of using the wizards. So I just made it on my own website there. Front page stuff. I made my own widget and give it a little plugin thingy right there. So right here, today's April 28th, 2018. Time at when I loaded this page. Time of the recording 10:16. Well, 10 o'clock. Straight up 10 o'clock. Sorry about that. The sun today is 8 degrees in Taurus. The moon is 21 degrees in Libra. Mercury is 11 degrees in Aries. Venus, the planet of love. Venus just entered into Gemini. So the planet of love is 4 degrees in Gemini. So for the past 4 days, the planet of love has been in Gemini, and that's important for us today. Well, for me anyway, for a friend of mine. But don't worry about that. Mars, 22 degrees in Capricorn. I'm not sure what that means, but it doesn't matter. We're still gonna call on Mars. Jupiter, we're gonna call on all of you guys today. 19 degrees in Scorpio. Saturn, 9 degrees in Capricorn. Uranus, 29 degrees in Aries. Neptune, 15 degrees in Pisces. Pluto, 21 degrees in Capricorn. Chiron just entered into Aries at 0 degrees. Lucky Chiron. True. Okay, your ascendance here is Leo. 10 degrees in Leo. By the way, if you want to go to, oh, here, let's see what Cancer is, just for my friend's sake. I'm gonna do your daily horoscope here. Overview for Gemini today. Plans for travel may be disrupted by a loss or conflict. Some persons or issues from your past may resurface now. Enjoy. Can you hear me? Okay. Enjoy involvement in groups and clubs. Okay. It just says plans for travel may be disrupted by a loss or conflict. Some persons or issue from your past may resurface now. That could be Derek. It could be anything. It could be good. It could be bad. It could be both. Enjoy involvement in groups and clubs where your company will be appreciated. Don't overdo, though, and avoid vices or risky behavior. Family and personal matters reign supreme right now. Family and personal matters reign supreme. There may be financial gains in the form of inheritances or bequests. While you may feel impulsive and sentimental, you will overcome your emotions soon. Think about past successes and achievements, and you will you feel good about them and stronger, and it'll make you stronger than ever. That's your overview. Your love says family and personal matters are the focus of your day today. Personal matters. Take a step back in an argument. Try to see the opposing side. Don't take criticism personally. Instead, look for remedies. Authority figures may be in a bad mood. It will be wise to watch your words and steer clear of them if possible. That's your love, your career. This moment is your moment to stand out in your chosen profession. Push your boundaries and try new concepts. Making out your plan will set you up to progress and succeed. You may find yourself craving materialistic pleasures. Stay positive and look for the right connections. All right, that's great. Sounds just about right, as I know it. And that's all I have to say for now. And if I don't get a post, I will just go to the website every day or any time of day. It's right there. It'll do your time and boom, 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 bada bing, bada boom, bada bing, bada boom. Do you at AstraEG.com to the stars and other dimensions. Catch my radio show on CatScratch.co, Hi-Fi Wi-Fi Radio at CatScratch.co. That's with a K. All right, CatScratch.co. Download the app, listen. And my show, I don't know when they play it, but they'll be playing it. And will be playing along. Let me make sure. Okay. All right, kiddos, Earth humans. I'll see you tomorrow if you're lucky. If you're lucky, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. Fair enough. If not, you know how to do it now. I just showed you. AdAstraEG.com. You're welcome. All right. Signing off. This is Naya Virginia High signing off for AdAstraEG. Today, where is my mouse? I can't see my mouse. I got several screens going on here, guys. And this mouse for this old Earth human here. Where is it? Anybody see it? It will be when someone sees it. I don't know. Mouse. Here it is. No. This is ridiculous. Okay, there's the mouse. Okay. So I gotta come over here and I gotta press stop. Press stop. Hold on. Really? Okay, 6 minutes. That's great. We did it in 6 minutes, guys. And that's with me fucking it all up, too. So we should be able to get this done every day in 3 minutes or less. Because we won't be doing horoscopes every day. Alright, ciao.